In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter.ai effectively. Otter.ai is a powerful tool for transcribing audio to text quickly and accurately. Whether you need to capture meeting notes, summarize lectures, or record personal voice memos, Otter.ai can be a valuable asset. First, let's begin by opening your web browser and heading over to otter.ai. Once you're on the site, the next thing you'll want to do is sign up for an account. You have several options here. You can sign up using your Google account, Apple ID, or simply with your email address. Choose whichever method is the most convenient for you, and follow the prompts to complete your registration. Once you've successfully signed up, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the basic settings. Head over to the Settings menu to set up your basic preferences. Here, you can configure various options like language preferences and notifications. Taking a few moments to personalize these settings will ensure the best experience with Otter.ai according to your specific needs. Now that your preferences are all set, it's time to put Otter.ai to work. If you're ready to start recording a new transcript, simply tap the record button. As you begin speaking, keep in mind that clear speech is crucial for accurate transcription. Try to minimize background noise, as this can interfere with the clarity of the recording. When you've finished recording, you have the option to either pause or stop the recording. If you've only taken a short break, tapping pause might be useful, allowing you to continue recording later. However, if you're done, go ahead and stop the recording, which will begin the transcription process. For those who have existing audio or video files that need transcribing, Otter.ai also allows you to upload these files directly. Simply navigate to the right option within the app and you'll have your existing content transcribed in no time. Otter.ai is also designed to work seamlessly with live meetings. This functionality is perfect for capturing essential points without taking your attention away from the discussion. Simply integrate Otter with your conferencing tool and let it handle the live transcription. Once your transcript is ready, it's time to polish it. Otter.ai provides an editing feature, enabling you to correct any mistakes or add necessary details to your transcript. By investing a little time in edits, you ensure that the final document truly represents what was said. Finally, once you're satisfied with the transcript, don't forget to export your work. Otter.ai offers various exporting options, so you can choose the format that best suits your needs, whether it's for sharing with colleagues, saving to your records, or presenting in your next report. And there you have it, a comprehensive introduction to leveraging Otter.ai. Now you're all set to capture and transcribe efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy transcribing.